Jax and Amado. We are overlanding the world, and right now, the Philippines.
Overlanding the Philippines, sun crawling up the hill, breakfast with malunggay and cheese pandas are what a thrill. A Bahay Cruiser camper, rolling slow along the shore, coconut juice every morning, yeah, I could live this way. Oh, what a
We were so close. After days of trekking through Samar and Leyte, the goal was simple: get to the port of Liloan and catch the ferry to Mindanao.
We do not fit. We cannot go. We're gonna have to find another way to go. Okay, we have turned around at this tight little bridge area and are now going to St. Bernard. Going to St. Bernard.
A Bahay Cruiser camper, rolling slow along the shore, coconut juice every morning, yeah, I could live this way. Oh, what a life, what a hell, I could do this all day. Shower in the rain, 7,000 islands calling my name. What a life, motherland magic.
Waiting for the ferry to Mindanao.
We'll chase the tide, we'll chase the sun, typhoons and rain on the window.
Here we go, folks. Here we go.
Ferries for island hopping, jumping the wide Philippine Sea.
We're on the ferry.
Yes, we're here.
We've been trying to get on this ferry since 7 o'clock this morning. It's now sunset.
And you never know where you're gonna end up at the end of the day. That's overlanding. That's what's so exciting about it. Look at this. Once you're here,
Beautiful.
it's like just really amazing.
And it's 3.5 hours on
Yeah,
this ferry, so
so-
I just wish it was going to be all in the daylight.
But you know what?
So
when
beautiful.
the sun goes down, we have a really good salad with hot deep fried chicken waiting for us. But it's all part of the adventure. If everything is predictable, then what is life about?
What is life about?
If you could predict everything,
Well, we don't have that problem.
we don't have that problem.
Talk to a weathered fisherman, help him pull that net in. Oh, what a life, I could do this all day. Can't you tell? 7,000 islands calling my name, get wet in the warm, warm rain. Oh, what a life, motherland magic under my spell. Come join us, we'll chase the tide to the next island, we'll chase the sun. Oh yeah.
Ready to land. The ramp is down. There's my driver. Ready to go to Mindanao. Hey, Amado. Mindanao. 4 wheels on Mindanao soil.
Spent the night at the port last night. We came in late, so we just decided to park here and spend the night. Security guard were pretty much good with it. Lots of people spend the night here.
Amado, where are we going?
Let's go to the beach.
Going to the beach? Hey, how was your night in the ferry port?
Chill. It was restful.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
We're in Mindanao! First stop, breakfast.
That's sa yung song. It's It's a local delicacy here in Surigao City. Sticky rice, we're gonna put the flavor, the purple one, the rice cake, bibingka, the buko, chocolate moron.
We are driving along the Mabua to find a campsite.
Buy fresh fish right off the shore. Laugh as the old men sing. Hey, let's go to the next island. Pack it up. Rain for a shower in the roadside. Ooh, what a life, what a hell. Hey, what a life. I could do this all day. Can't you tell? 7,000 islands calling my name. Get wet in the warm, warm rain. Oh, what a life. Motherland magic under my spell. Come join us, it's a lot of fun. We'll chase the tide, we'll chase the sun.
The incredible seafood reminded us so much of the Gambia when we were in Africa.
Wow, it's a great place. And this is where Bahay Cruiser Spark. You go in. And there's Jackie. Let's go see the sunset, Jax. Sunset. Fishermen are going out. They're gonna be back about 8 o'clock tonight.
Overlanding the Philippines, sun crawling up the hill. What a thrill! A Bahay Cruiser camper, rolling slow along the shore. Coconut juice every morning, yeah, I could live this way. Oh, what a life, what a hell. I could do this all day. Shower in the rain, 7,000 islands calling.
Good morning. It's nothing waking up to the sound of pandesal. Wow, there's a fisherman coming in. Let's go there and see what he caught.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Overlanding the Philippines, sun crawling up the hill.
Grilled fish
Grilled fish
and tinola.
and fish tinola, which is like a fish soup. Yummy. Hi.
So good.
Fresh.
Sweet, fresh, they're alive.
I could do this all day. 7,000 islands calling my name. What a life, motherland magic.
Beach game. You use whatever you have to get ahead, to beat the other team. You can use shoes, your clothing, yourself. Beach lovers saying goodbye. Farewell to the sun.
Oh, what a life. I could do this all day. Can't you tell? 7,000 islands calling my
Ready to go on a rainy day, leaving Badiang Pebble Beach. Okay, there's babe. Bye-bye. Maraming salamat.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And don't miss the next episode of Bahay Cruiser, where we visit the Tinuan Falls.